You know that theory that everybody has a superpower, but it just goes unnoticed because it's usually something silly and unuseful? I think that my superpower is being able to weigh and measure things out exactly, down to the 0.00 gram. And I discovered this at University Chem Lab. Because listen, I'm really, really bad at math. Numbers do not exist in my head. And I figured out really quickly in those chemistry laboratories that if I measured things out to the exact grams that they were supposed to be, if I rounded it out to a whole number, the math was significantly easier to do. Less room for error. I need to weigh out exactly 6 grams of this chemical. Don't ask me to name anything right now. I'm exhausted. I got 2 hours of sleep. I will get exactly 6 grams, not 6.2, not 6.059, exactly 6 grams. And it needs to be mixed with 12 grams of this chemical. You know that we're dealing with exactly even ratios. My margin of error? Non-existent. Titrations flawless. Did I pass the class? No, despite my impeccable skills in the laboratory and the meticulous notes I took during every experiment. I still flunked out. Listen, I was severely chronically ill when I was attending university and we didn't know how bad it was. So I became an artist instead of the medical researcher that I thought I was going to be. I would have been an absolute asset in the lab. But now I just use those skills to get things really, really, really symmetrical. I think that's kind of the same thing.